mean wind velocity in kilometer per hour at a height of 9 meter above the ground. Everything will be in easy. Okay, take it from me. Next, Km equal to coefficient accounting for various other factors. Coefficient accounting for various other factors. Write it down. Equal to 1 km equal to 0.36 km equal to 0.36 for large deep water. That km equal to 0.36 for large deep water. Next, km equal to 0.50 for small shallow water. Next, Rover's equation. Rover's formula. ROH WERS, Rover's formula. Right now, here also E equal to 771 into 1.465 minus 0.000732 PA close the bracket into another bracket 0.44 plus 0.0733 VA. No, V raised to 0.6. Close the bracket, then ES minus EA. Here, this was asked for 2020 for 8 marks. Only this much. What they was? Write the Mayer's equation and the Rover's equation with all these explanations. 8 marks. You should know, no? Where capital E, comma ES, where capital E, ES, EA, where capital E, ES, EA have the same meanings as in Mayer's formula. Have the same meanings as in Mayer's equation. Whatever the Mayer's equation, their meaning will be there. No, same meaning. That's the meaning. Next, this you write V of point equal to V of 0.6 equal to mean wind velocity. V of 0.6 is equal to mean wind velocity in kilometer per hour. V equal to mean wind velocity in kilometer per hour at 0.6 meter above the ground level. At 0.6 meter above the ground level. PA, where is PA? Here PA. PA equal to mean barometric reading. PA equal to mean barometric reading in mm of mercury. In mm of mercury. Let's go to the air for transpiration. What? They are very important. It may repeat this time also. Next, evapotranspiration. Evapotranspiration. What is evapotranspiration? Anybody? What is evapotranspiration? Losses for what? Evaporation is known. Evapotranspiration. Classes of water. Classes of water from. That is nothing but that what exactly it is the transpiration in very way. It is the water being lost through the leaves of the plant. In the other way, the transpiration is nothing but the water being lost, or the water gets evaporated, whatever that. Evaporation is the loss. The water being lost through the leaves of the plants. Okay, through the leaves of the plant. And there are a method again, as we are having the Mayer's equation or Rowe's equation, they have got Cadell equation to calculate evapotranspiration. The transpiration, first one, time is there no? Still time is there. ಬರೀಯಪ್ಪ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಲೆಕ್ಚರ್ ಸರ್ ಬರೀಯಪ್ಪ ಏನಪ್ಪ ನಮಗೆ ಒಂದು ಹೆಂಗಲ್ಲ ಎಷ್ಟು ಕಾಣಿಸಿಲ್ಲ ನೀವೆಲ್ಲ ಲಾಂಗ್ ಮಚ್ಚು ಹಾಕೊಂಡು ತಿರ್ಗಾಡ್ತಿರ್ತಾರಲ್ಲ ಹಂಗೇನಿಲ್ಲ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಪಿರೇಷನ್ ನಿಮ್ಮ ವಾಟ್ ಎವರ್ ಯು ವಾಂಟ್ ಟು ಶೋ ಯುವರ್ wisdom and intellectual things, show here, not show there. That is not going to be useful. This is a long vision and this will be a short vision. Okay, transpiration is the process by which water leaves the plant is. Transpiration is the process. What is it? Everything is in the ozone. Go there only. Yeah, transpiration is the process. You should know what is what, no? Ozone, everything is there. Transpiration is the process by which water leaves. Leaves ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಆ leaves ಬಿಡುವುದು, ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಹೋಗುವುದು. ಎಲೆಯಿಂದ ಬೇರ್ಪಟ್ಟು ಹೋಗುವುದು. By which water leaves the body of the living plant. Leaves the body of the living plant, leaves the body of the living plant and reaches the atmosphere, and reaches our atmosphere, reaches the atmosphere as water vapor, as water vapor. As a water vapor. In the examination, if they ask you the definition of transpiration, you write this definition. Most technical, most scientific definition of this. And I know whatever you done, I know that. Full stop. The water is taken up. Next sentence. Next sentence. Atmosphere as water vapor. Full stop. The water is taken up by the plant root system. The water is taken up by the plant root system. The water is taken up by the plant root system and escapes through the leaves. And escapes through the leaves. Now this leaves is the plural of leaf. Escapes through the leaves. Full stop. Still time is there, no? So one more definition I want to say right now. Pet definition. What is pet? Pet bottle? Nine. Hey, nine. What's a pet? Pet is the potential evapotranspiration. Right now. Let us take the definition to those things. One is pet, another is at AET is also there. What is AET? Actual evapotranspiration. Potential evapotranspiration. Yeah. And now you write. Definition, only definition. If sufficient moisture, only I am telling the definition, not explanation. Explanation, go to ozone. If sufficient moisture is always available, Definition of PET. If sufficient moisture is always available, if sufficient moisture is always available to completely meet, complete is spelling right now? Right? English is good. If sufficient moisture is always available to completely meet the needs of vegetation, if sufficient moisture is always available to completely meet the needs of vegetation fully, moisture is always available to completely meet the needs of vegetation fully covering the area, comma, the resulting evapotranspiration is called potential evapotranspiration. Potential spelling right now. The resulting evapotranspiration is called potential evapotranspiration, PET. Next, AET, actual evapotranspiration. Meaning of that. You write down the meaning of that. The real evapotranspiration. Definition for that, AET. The real evapotranspiration occurring in a specific situation is called, the real evapotranspiration occurring in a specific situation is called actual evapotranspiration, AET. Okay. In the next class, I am going to tell you what is the relation between AET and PET. Small equation. I think time is up. 6 minutes is there. Then I will continue.